Welcome to Buena Vista, Virginia, a location that's been home to Modine since 1963. Today, it's home to the Effinity93 unit heater. Since it began manufacturing the Hot Dawg heater in 1998, Buena Vista has built thousands of heaters featuring a tubular heat exchanger, so it's a natural fit for the expansion of this heating method to come from Buena Vista. Built with the American craftsmanship customers have come to expect from Modine over the last 93 years, the Effinity93 looks to raise customers' comfort level. Thanks to Modine's new Conservacore technology, efficiencies never dreamed of from a gas-fired unit heater are now possible. As with all Modine products, the Effinity93 was designed with serviceability and ease of installation in mind, and with the highest quality materials and components. Featuring a corrosion-resistant, high-grade stainless steel secondary heat exchanger and distributor box, the Effinity93 gives customers the confidence of knowing their investment will be rewarded with many years of worry-free service. Prior to shipping, all products at Buena Vista are individually inspected and tested to assure quality and performance. Only then will we apply the Modine name to each heater, letting you know that it has passed our own thorough qualifications. At a time when improving energy efficiency and reducing greenhouse emissions are coming to the forefront, we are proud to launch the Effinity93 gas-fired unit heater line, the most efficient line in North America. At Buena Vista, we aren't trying to heat the whole world, just yours.